Picture this. You're on a long, winding road trip. The landscape is breathtaking, the wind is in your hair, and the radio is playing your favorite song. Suddenly, your car breaks down, turning your dream journey into a nightmare. Could this have been prevented? Yes, with a simple vehicle inspection. Now you might be wondering where to get this inspection done. Well, the answer is right here in Orange County at Placentia Super Service. We specialize in both European and domestic auto repair, making us the perfect fit for all auto owners and fleet owners alike. You see, at Placentia Super Service, we believe that peace of mind starts with knowing your ride is in top condition. That's why we encourage you to call us today and schedule a vehicle inspection. It's a small step that can save you from big problems down the line. But that's not all. We also offer a free alignment check with any service because we understand the importance of proper alignment for the safety and performance of your vehicle. Please note, adjustments are extra, but we promise it's worth every penny. So don't wait until it's too late. Protect your ride and ensure your peace of mind. Give us a call and schedule your vehicle inspection today. Placentia Super Service is here to keep you and your vehicle on the road, safe and sound.